back to my channel. I'm Deni, and today I'm here with my husband Carlos, and we are going to be unboxing, well, my Boxy Charm and his Birchbox. Yes, so the reason why I held out, or he held out because he got his box way quicker than I did, is because when I get my goodie box, he also gets a goodie box, and I paired it up with my Boxy Charm because my Boxy Charm subscription is $21 and his Birchbox is $20. Yes, and his is for men. So we're going to be unboxing both of our boxes for you, and I guess I'm gonna start first, right?
Yep.
So my box, when I open it, it looks like this, and there are several things in here. There is a coupon for 25% off of Butter London products, and I also have the card, which I usually wait till the end to read. Now, what does yours look like when you open it?
Well, when I open my box, it's got this bubble and my lifestyle items that I get with the $20 subscription. Let's see what I got for my lifestyle items. This is a travel pack.
It looks like something to put remotes on.
It's a toiletry wrap bag.
Oh, that makes so much sense. Basically, that's what this strap is, so that you can, I guess you fold it in, and once you put all your like little gadgets in here, you can like fold it. This is yours, not mine. But here I am explaining your stuff.
Yeah.
After he said that, it made total sense. So let me show you what the first item that I'm seeing inside my Boxy Charm is. I have the Pretty Vulgar blush, and they sent me the color Hush Blush, which looks like the packaging is beautiful. This gold is awesome, and that right there is the shade. I think it's gonna work out just right for me. But why does this look like somebody swatched it already? Look at it.
Yep, it does.
How many items does your box usually have?
My box usually has 5 items, and it usually comes like this.
A box inside of a box.
And I'm still opening it. Finally!
So he got it open, and there is yet another box inside of a box.
Inside a box, inside a box.
Wait, it would be so much more fun if there was yet another box to get to. Gosh, there's a lot of packaging.
One in my box, and there's a card in it. Little card explaining what I got for the month. And my first item.
So this is what his box looks like.
First item is this 1821 man-made
shampoo,
body wash.
But it says shampoo and conditioner and body wash. What is that?
It's an all-in-one body wash.
Oh.
And it comes in this little jar. And
let's smell it. Sorry, I'm really nosy. And it smells like syrup. It smells like syrup. Yeah, totally for guys, not for women.
Yeah, I'm gonna be bathing in syrup.
He is silly. So my second item is the Butter London Double Decker Lash Mascara, which is in this humongous box. I not used any of their mascaras ever before, so let's just see what this. Wow, this is one big package for that's what she said. It's in very large packaging. I don't know what the wand looks like. I'm not gonna open it just because I don't want to have a bunch of mascaras open, but this is pretty cool.
And my next item is this anti-aging cream with aloe. This anti-aging cream.
And where are you going to use that anti-aging cream?
On my face.
Okay, I was going to say all over my body.
And it's scented. So let's see what this one smells like.
Yeah, let's just smell everything he has in his box. Oh, it has a... You want to open it? Because it has a seal? Anyway, it's open.
And it smells like mint.
It does smell like mint. So it smells like mint, and it smells pretty good. I like it. I mean, it's for him, but I'm entitled to like stuff too. So my next item is South Main pack of 3 eye gel packs. So in here there are 3 packs of eye gels, and they look like so. This packaging actually reminds me of the packaging that the lip mask came in, because I could feel that like plastic inside of it. I've never used this, so I'm very interested in trying these out. Anything to make my beauty regimen better, I'm for it.
And my next item is this CW Bags and Sons Energizing Moisturizer.
So
this is what it looks like.
Another moisturizer.
Yep, another face cream.
Another. You put it all so close to my face. Another face cream. So then the next item that I have in my box is the Vintage Cosmetics Company. It's a brush set. It comes with 3 brushes. Smoky eye brush set. So let's open this guy up. Like I said, I love brushes. I say this all the time. And most of my brushes come from subscriptions, so I am not mad at that. So here are all 3 of those brushes. They look to be very nice. I actually like this cream shade. They feel really like soft. They don't feel scratchy. I mean, I would have to give them a go on my face, but so far so good. There's an angled one. There is a eyeshadow brush and then a smudger, which can't beat that.
And my next item is this Faconable cologne that they sent me.
Do you
looks
usually
like this.
You have to, here, let me help. So it looks like that, and it's just like a little spray sample. Yeah, a little sample. My next, or my last product actually had bubble wrapping, and then it also has this on it, and oh, it's a palette. Sorry, there's a lot of plastic and things involved. So they sent over this Pure palette. It says Boxy Charm and Pure. I guess they collabed on this guy. Ooh, okay. So it comes with a really large mirror, and this is the palette itself. Looks pretty cool, and it has a plastic over. No, that's just this. So it comes like that. This to me looks like another like pop effect type palette, but that's not what this video is about.
My last item is this soap that they sent me
From Kiehl's.
from Kiehl's.
Let me see.
It's grooming solution exfoliating body soap.
An exfoliating soap, but jojoba oil, jojoba oil. It smells good. Smell it.
And they sent me a full-size product, which they never send me a full-size product, so I'm happy about that.
Yeah.
They usually send me a little soap, so.
Yeah, usually the soaps are like so tiny. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go to the card, because you know I like to break it down and tell you what I'm getting. So the Pure eyeshadow palette was $36. The Butter London mascara is $20. That's an expensive mascara. The Main Beauty under eye gels are $10 for 3. The Vintage Cosmetic brush set is $23.15, and the Pretty Vulgar blush is $26. The total of this box was $115.15. That is well worth the $21 that I spend. I always say this all the time. Does yours have prices on yours too? Go ahead.
Yes, but these aren't the full-size products.
Alright, so if he were to get the man-made wash, which is what this?
Yes.
It would be $24 in the full size. He was to get the Bricks product, the anti-aging thing. The full size of this is $40. Wow. For moisturizer, or no, that's the anti-aging cream. Isn't that the same thing? For the CW Bags and Sun moisturizer, $23 for a full size. Faconable perfume is $80 a full size. That By full size, I'm assuming that it's the 3.5 ounce bottle. And then the soap, the Kiehl soap, which is a full size, is $15. So this is $15. He always gets a lifestyle product, right?
Yes. And
the samples that they send you are high-end samples. So do you think the $20 that you spend on this box is worth it?
Yes, I think it's worth it because I got this full size, this lifestyle item that it's not, this alone would have cost more than $20.
Yeah? For this little thing? So usually his lifestyle items are a lot more, or they're worth the price of the actual box.
Well, this is basically what this bag is used for. You put these things in there.
So you got your little travel essentials. The only thing about that is that, won't they fall out? Oh no, you know what? You can always bend it down like this.
Yep, you can bend it down and then roll it up. And there you go. I'm a modern made man.
That is actually really cute. I like the way that they put that together. This was our unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my Gonz fam. And as always, from my house to yours. Love ya.
Yes, but these aren't the full-size products. So
the way you said it, you're all stiff. You're like, yes, but these aren't the full size. You put remotes in here. That's what it looks like to me.